Well, hello everybody. This is my dad's first time driving it with the power steering working. So just going up to the gas station real quick. They just want to give it a ride real quick. It's not too cold today, so it feels nice.
This thing's nice and smooth.
And it is cold because it hasn't been cranked up for about a day and a half or so. So it'll be warmed up by the time we get to the gas station. That's the power steering feel.
Pinky steering. Not even have to worry.
Everything feeling okay?
Yeah.
Steering's real tight, but
Yeah.
it still needs to be rebuilt because the ball joints are definitely loose.
Yeah.
That's where that rebuild kit's gonna come in when I get my income tax. It's from performancesuspension.com if y'all ever want to look it up. I'll put the link in with this video if y'all want to check it out. There you go.
It only went down to second.
And remember, 40 on the speedometer is about 45 to 48. And it was up to about 45, pushing 50 on there. So we were going probably about 55.
Definitely got to get these exhaust leaks fixed.
Yeah. It would sound better, but it still sounds good right now, but it sounds better.
Oh yeah, it sounded more tuned.
I think we might be taking the scenic route home, so I think we'll just leave this video at that, because y'all get the gist of it. That he's got a chance to drive it and everything.
I was going to go back the way we came.
He can now drive it. I'm gonna have to keep a watch on it now. Well, I'll see y'all next time.
So smooth.
Oh yeah. I'll go a little bit longer. I was talking about going over to Hurt and going back home that way.
Oh, okay.
It just gives you a chance to test the power steering some more.
Well, I knew before I pulled out of the driveway how smooth it was.
I honestly was not expecting the power steering to be that smooth.
That's about as smooth as a Suburban was.
Was that as smooth as it was before? I know it's been many years since it's
25 plus years ago.
But the point is, it's smooth.
I'm gonna get you to bump it up.
Okay. There we go. Now we hit 50 on the speedometer, so we're probably going about pushing 60.
You don't have to. Yeah, but you upshifted too soon. At first.
I'll learn.
I know. I was going to tell you when. I was going to give you the signal to upshift.
Well, I'm doing the video, so I can't really pay attention to your fingers.
I know. Yeah, but you're watching the video, aren't you?
Yeah, but I was more concentrating on that when I had to shift.
Okay.
But yeah, it's nice. We can go ahead and turn here 2 lanes if you want to.
Huh?
We can go ahead and turn here 2 lanes if you want to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep a watch on all the keys now. I'll see y'all next time, and y'all look out for that link that I'm going to be putting in the description for the website that I'm getting my front end rebuild kit from. It's not too bad for everything, so just y'all look at that link, and I'll see y'all next time.